Hello guys, hello. So today we're starting here and wait a second guys, I will set up everything because today I will launch it by myself. Okay. Wait a second guys. Well, by the way, just typing how do you hear me if if everything is okay or not. So okay, let me see, let me see. Let me see. So, how are you doing, guys? So I believe that you hear me well. So I will make a little bit louder if you want. So, guys, today I welcome you guys on our, daily. We are just trying to do it daily, Crypto Pumper show. So, what we are doing here, we are saying hello for all of the low bunkers, all of the traders, and all of the newcomers. Hello, Hijack. Hello, Princess. Hello, Alessa. Hamo as well. So, guys, actually, today and every day we are trading a little, and actually, our strategy here. Um, so, our show's goal is to help the intermediate level crypto enthusiasts from a robust crypto portfolio, and actually we're making just a habit for you guys to make small investments, or every day or every period of time you can pick it for yourself. So of course, guys, we're waiting for you for our YouTube channel, so do not hesitate to go there. We just made an awesome video about the altcoin explosion unleashed. So everything about the altcoin season you can get there, and of course, I'm waiting to you on our separate, GeekFi's Corner live stream, streaming stuff here. So it's all connected, and of course, we welcome you on our feed where you can find and read everything what is new in crypto and some helpful tips how to not lose your money. So it's very important, of course. And of course, we're waiting for you on our Twitter. So today we had an amazing MA session with the Lithium project. So you can go and see the replay on this, live streaming service. In what streaming service are you here? And the Gleam is continuing all over 2 hours. So guys, you can still take part in the Gleam contest and get some small but tiny but sweet prize from this MA session. And today, I believe, or in some few hours, we will announce the next MA session with some project you've already spotted here in our space, but they continuously make some new updates, so they want to share with us. So today, I believe that after the stream, we will make a short announcement who it will be and when it will be. Yeah, so I believe in 2 days we'll have another one MA session. Maybe it will be in the morning. I don't know. So actually, how are you doing, guys? How is your trading efforts are going on, and what's your, moving ups in your portfolio? By the way, we haven't discussed yet the main, the main stuff. So how to form your follow, yeah, and how to pick up the right strategy, yeah. So actually, we have two strategies, the global two strategies. It's the hold strategy, yeah, or hodl strategy, or to trade strategy. So what we're doing here in our streams, actually, we're showing you guys the most of the time how to hodl, yeah, the crypto, how to form your folio, what to do in your, spare time, and how to get a really, really maybe small, maybe big amount of money. So I will make a money flow for you guys. So and you can be a little bit embarrassed here, and saying, okay, so what to do actually with the, yeah, so the market is not moving, where I need more money, how I can increase my stuff and everything. So do not, guys, do not rush in your desires. So actually you need define, first of all, you need define the strategy here, yeah. So it can be the hodl strategy, or it can be the trading strategy, or it can be mix up, yeah. So diving deeper into the whole strategy, yeah. So actually the hodling, or it means that you will buy the crypto, some cryptos, for example Bitcoin, so major crypto in the blockchain space, who just deserves hodling. Of course it's Bitcoin, yeah. So that's why we are forming our folio in so my goal is here to enlarge the Bitcoins over 50% maybe in the folio, but right now I'm a little bit rebalancing it for the altcoins. So the altcoins is everything around the Bitcoin, yeah. Why? Because the Bitcoin right now is over 30,000, and we've said before that I will not buy any Bitcoins in the corridor of 30 and till the 33,000. After the 33,000, after it will reach the 33,000, I just name it like Elon Musk level, yeah, something like this. So we will redefine our strategy on that time, but by this time, so we are concentrating on the different altcoins and so on. So you can see that our overall profit loss is about 8% loss, yeah. So it's okay, we are not trading, we are hodling, yeah. So for this one folio, so that's why we are just concentrating on hodling. And if you remember, several weeks ago it was minus 30 and minus 40%, yeah. So and believe me guys, when we just reach out the bull market, it will not even matter actually what we have been buying, because it will matter that we have bought everything, yeah. So we have bought Bitcoin, we have bought Ethereum, we bought all of the major altcoins, for example, ecosystem and altcoins, Texas and Dexis coins and other stuff. So, and we're just enlarging our follow. So if you're a loan banker, of course, you can concentrate on only on one coin. For example, it will be a Bitcoin or something like this. Yeah. But actually, guys, um, for the low bankers, of course, we need to go for the altcoins and make a little bit more risky. So folio can be a little bit more risky because um, if it's a bear market, you will need to invest only in the crypto, which will survive during the crypto winter, during the bear run. After the bull run will come, so your profit will depend only on this on the crypto you've chosen to invest in. Yeah. So the question arises, so what to choose, how to use, and everything else, yeah. So actually today we will of course buy more coins with the help of our sponsored wallet. It's now wallet, so of course we will make some buyings of the coins, not trading like in daily trade. So but actually we will speak about the trading actually as well. um, so I see the hammer is crying. I don't know why. I don't know why. So hammer, just share with us why you're crying. So because we are full of love here, yeah. So much love for you guys. So the mindset on holding is so the advantage here is that you are just strongly believer in crypto and on these coins, and nevertheless you will hold them until the until the end. Yeah. So, and of course, you will be just fixing your profits, time to time, only on the bull markets. So, and of course, you can still be holding if you have some income, for example, passive income from other sources, and you can hold all of your stuff, not even trading, for years or maybe for decades. So, like brothers Winkles, yeah. So they're not just trading, yeah. So maybe they're trading on some short amount of money, yeah, some short amount of bitcoins, but mainly they're strong believers and they are not moving, yeah, these funds, and actually people are just watching them. How do they do this? Okay, so another one point here, another one strategy here. Just say, guys, if you are holders or not. So I will be knowing. So I know that Hamo is trader, so he's trading every day, I believe, and that's respectful, of course, as well, because if we are just uh, taking up the mindset of trading, guys. So let's talk about the trading and about the advantages and disadvantages within the trading, opposites in the holding, yeah. So of course trading is more risky, yeah. So you depend on the fluctuations, on volatility of the market, and actually you can so in hodling there is no bad trades. So there is no bad trades because you're buying crypto, you know I don't know, every day, every month, every period, yeah. And throughout the time you will get profit, yeah. So throughout the time, it doesn't matter in what period are you buying, on the bull market, on the bear market, because every cycle you will be getting more and more, access. So for the 5 years, Bitcoin grows up on 80x, yeah. So doesn't matter if you buy on the previous, for example, previous bull run on 20,000. Right now Bitcoin is 30. Doesn't matter if you buy in 64,000 for 64,000, because the next bull run will be 120,000. I believe this, yeah. So we can expect this actually. So something around more than 100, yeah. So it doesn't matter what you so what you buying, if it will survive, and it doesn't matter on what price are you buying on hodling strategy, because it will. So you are just far away, a long thinker, yeah, far away thinker. But if you are just a trader, so the risk are prices, and of course you will have some risky stuff, some uh, trading, opportunities also, yeah. And for this point, if you're low bunker, so you wouldn't be able to increase your balance very fast. If only the way you are just trading on futures with big leverage, but it's too risky. I do not recommend. Yeah, so to make some big leverages, of course, we are making some trading sessions, and this Thursday, we will make a trading session with futures, with some perpetuals, USDTMs. So I will trade something around $100 a day. Yeah. So and we will see, for example, how much we can earn or lose that day. So actually, you can lose everything very fast, and you can earn, of course, very fast. But the risks are too high, and you need to understand. So you need a big depot. Yeah. So you need. Um, some great number of money, so you need some money to trade in, yeah. So and each of your trades should not um, exceed, for example, 5%. So it counts like green stuff, yeah. uh okay, June is trading but with loss more than profit. Yeah, I trade too. So and that's a point. You can lose some money, you can earn some money, and you need to understand the trading stuff is not just a um it's not. So for some guys, of course, it's fun, yeah. So you just trading like a casino, yeah. But for some guys, it's work, and they do not have any work inside except of trading. So it's a trading. You are a trader. So and you need to do it every day. So every hour or at least every day. So you need to analyze. You need to find the good spots to enter, good spots to out, and then just fix the profits. So it's the strategy as well. But of course, for the low bunkers, it's much more harder um, to get this stable income from the trading. Yeah. So this is the core, difference with with the mindset. Yeah. Okay. So let's go a little bit for the for today's for today's trade. So I believe that we haven't bought any items here. So let's go for the Mm, let's go for the wallet. Maybe okay. Maybe we will see that fluctuations about the atom token. Let me see this. Mm, wait a second, guys. So okay. So yesterday we haven't bought any atom token. Right now it's going a little bit down. So under the 10, under the $10. So I believe we can buy it. So yesterday I've just get some USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. So um um our fees will be less. Yeah. So if you use, for example, non-custodial wallets, if you use the DEXs, so and you are just operating on the layer one, so of course you need to get the stuff within the similar chain. It will be much more faster, I believe, and it will be um, much more convenient, yeah, for you. So that's why I've got um, some stuff here. Okay, let's buy nearly a little bit more than 2 atoms, and actually I will get some cash back with now tokens. It's a little bit, but nice, nice present for me. So maybe we will buy on okay, let's buy on 40, maybe $30. Yeah, maybe $30, something like this, or just 20, I don't know. Yeah, let's buy 3 of these items. Okay, so while we're just painting the stuff, so um I want to speak a little bit about the trading. Yeah. June said that she's not very successful trader, for example. But actually, I have another one question. How often do you trade? Yeah. So how often do you make the trading stuff? Because the losses actually you can analyze the losses within the long term, yeah, so the long run. So actually, if you see, so overall our folio, we will be just seeing that we have um, so acquisition cost around $600 and holdings around $500. So and we've just lost $50. But actually, I'm thinking about the perspective. Yeah. So if you are just still having some trades, or for example, if we go for the remember my trading competitions with the Cirrus coin. So right now, um, it so right now I've sold all about my Cirrus coins. Yeah, right now I have $1,000 here on my wallet, and I cannot buy back these Cirrus coins because they cost a little bit higher than I sold it, yeah, before. So that's why I'm just waiting another one possibility to enter. Yeah, so that's just that's just the simple strategy, yeah. So and this strategy, so and I'm not trading, yeah, on this period because I understand that it will be a loss, yeah, for me to trade. But still, these coins, so I'm just watching them, yeah. So I'm just watching them, and you can, um, how it's saying, um, so actually, it's just called the swing trading, yeah. So I'm not trading like a daily trade or just doing something like this. I'm just doing swing trading. So I just find the spot to enter, and then you were just finding the spot to coming out, yeah. So that's like holding, yeah. So but a little bit with a short period of time. So because we have limits, and we're understanding the profits, yeah, here. So we haven't done the daily trades yet with you guys, yeah. So but actually we can do this. So you have seen some of my daily trades about Sidus coin because it was a trading competition. So that's why I've made a daily trades, and I've just find some interesting, spots here, how to enter, how to leave, and so on and so on. So that's why I've got some profits there. Yeah. So I've entered with 1,000, and I've just coming out with, okay, let's I've just closed it. Okay, so I will show it to you next time. So I'm came, for example, with something around 1,000, and I've just come out with 1,005 and or 1,020. So a very big amount, yeah. So less than a percent, yeah, of profit. But I will get 30 bucks. So it will be also good. But imagine if I make it, for example, not one trade or two trades a day. If I trade, for example, 10 trades or 20 trades a day, and let me calculate, for example, 20 bucks, yeah, from the 1,000. So it's 2%, yeah. So 2% is 2% profit, for example, on 3 days. It's okay stuff, yeah. But imagine if I just making some, not for example, so it was 3 or 4 trades, yeah, something like this. But imagine, guys, if it's 20 trades a day, yeah. So for the 3 days, it's 5 times more, so it's 100 bucks. So 100 bucks for 4 days. So for example, okay, let's limit it on 3 days, yeah. So for example, 100 bucks for 3 days. You can multiply it, so but you need to trade every day, for example, yeah. So you're just going to the monthly stuff. So you can understand that, what is this? Uh, so you need multiply your 100 on on 10, yeah. So it's 1,000. So it's 100% in a month from your depot, yeah. So from your deposit. So imagine, for example, if you're just situating in US or in Europe, what is 1,000 for these guys? It's not even a salary. It's not even anything, yeah. So you will need to enlarge your trading volumes. You need to enlarge, or you will need to enlarge your successful trades. But it's not even. I'm not counting the losses here, yeah. Okay. So let's go and count the prices here. So how we've bought. So we've traded 30, yeah, 30. So let's go for the item. So we've got this amount of item. Okay, so let's count the buying price actually. So let me see. So I need to divide the 30 bucks, yeah. So it's 9. 87, 987, 81, 7, 4 to 8, 75, 10, 7, something like this. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Um, so that's it. We've done it with Cosmos. So I believe that these guys provided some awesome news, and you can see that they were nearly the bottom. Yeah, here. So let's go for the year. So the 8 was, so do not try to find the very low point here. Yeah, so every time you're just entering the stuff, so look at the all-time high. So if you believe that it can reach all-time high, so for some time, so we can see that we can see that it has just reaching up the all-time highs on the 2022. So actually it can repeat it or just go higher. So look at this, the previous bull run, it was 90, let me see, yeah, 97, yeah, 98, let me see, 99 and 29, I'm sorry guys, 29, so almost 30. On the previous bull run it was 30, 30, let me see, 42. So imagine it can be up for 4 times. Yeah. So it doesn't matter if you buy on 8 or in 10 or even in 12. Yeah. Or even in 16, even here on local heights. So if you are just trading, so if you are just a swinger, yeah. So I'm sorry guys, if you swing the cryptos, so you will be just fine to, so you need to establish the entering point and out point. So if you are here and you are just going long, so we're just talking about just right now just about spot trading, yeah, not about the not about the perpetuals. So if you're just concerning to use the spot trading. So if you're entering on 16 and you should believe in this crypto, so and you just using the swing trading strategy, so it doesn't matter how it fluctuates. So you just point that you will need the profit on, so you will take the profit on 12, on 20, for example, on 20, or you will get, for example, you will sell half of this stuff on 20, or you will sell directly the amount you've bought on 60. So you will get, for example, your money back, and you will get some small amount of these atoms for growing potential, for example. Yeah, you're just forming the altcoin, for example. You are just preparing for the altcoin season, something like this, not fixing your profit. You're just fixing your trade. So it's really the swing stuff. Another one stuff, if you're just trading so your trading strategy based on the daily strategy, yeah, so you are just making the trades all over the day, and you do not look at the, so it doesn't matter if the prices, for example, go a little bit lower, okay, you will sell it and fix the losses, yeah. So because you need your money work, yeah, so you cannot, for example, wait a month or 2 months till this will be profitable or not, or for example you are not sure about this crypto, so you're trading every day on the price fluctuations, and you see the price fluctuations over the day, and for example dailies, yeah, so throughout the day you can see the downgrading trend. So you can, for example, buy here but sell here, for example, or buy here, sell here, buy here. So you make, for example, uh, more trades, yeah, throughout the day. So you just prognose that the price will go down, for example, 5%, for example, yeah, and you are trying to trade on this corridor, yeah, for example. So the different strategies. So I'm just putting on the more safer strategies here. Um, so June, what are you trading right now? interesting. I'm just interested. Yeah. So, what about the? So, I wanted to point on you guys some interesting news here. So, I've just prepared some interesting stuff here. So, first of all, I've just shared with you. Um, what was the network fee and what was the cashback and everything. Yeah, so how to get this cashback. So actually it's a little bit tricky moment here, because you need to go, so you need to register, go for the pro account. So it's for free right now, so zero. Yeah. And you can go for their site, for the pro section, and there you can see the cashback. So from your changes in the wallet. So you can see these cashbacks. Yeah. So, and I can go for the payout when it reach the 100 now token. So it's pretty much interesting. So I believe if it will be on Texas, it will be nice as well. So Deeps asks, you think it will go up for the $15? So actually I believe that Cosmos of course has the huge potential, because it's ecosystem coin. Yeah. And they're just developing, making hackathons. They've got a lot of investment rounds. Yeah. And actually, um, uh, actually, so usually I'm just thinking of several stuff here. So I'm looking all time high. Yeah. So I'm looking, for example, on the so I know this project. Yeah. So actually it was actually developing several years. Yeah. By now, like Polkadot and other guys. So it has the potential, it has a big ecosystem. It has some interoperability. I'm sorry, guys. So I believe that on the next bull run, so they will not disappear. So that's why I'm investing in them. And how to prognose, so how to make the prognosis um about the potential. Of course, I'm looking about the all-time highs. So if I can see the all-time highs there, and I can understand that it can reach them, so you can just put your eye on this. Yeah. So of course it can reach. So in February it was 15. So why not again? Yeah. On even on local high. And it was even 16, and in September 22. Yeah. So if you can see the all-time when it was reaching out the city. Okay, at the beginning of the year, so so a year ago. Yeah. So it can reach. Yes, it can reach. So I'm just putting my some stuff here. Yeah. So we cannot understand. We cannot, of course, know. Um, we cannot predict actually how it will be going, and so on. But look at this. So this was period of reserving the funds. Then it split. Yeah. So then it goes down. Then right now this corridor actually is just getting more liquidity here. Yeah. So we are preparing. So if you just will scale up this one. Yeah. So and go, for example, here, you can see the same story here. Yeah. The same story here, guys, but different volumes. That's it. And you can see that the volumes here was the uh very low here. Yeah. The same story here, very low market cap, and so on. So actually I believe that it has the potential here. Yeah. So, wanted to mention here. Actually, I've spotted that in my wallet, and you can spot in, for example, in your MetaMask, that you can have you can see your NFTs, and I have several questions. Why haven't you investing in the NFTs right now? So actually, I'm not, flipper or, NFT holder. I believe in their huge potential, but actually, you need some, so better for me right now as a low banker to form the usual cryptocurrency folio than to form another, another kind of assets like NFTs. But I wanted to share you the story about the Azuki. So Azuki is one of the blue chips, so-called blue chips. The blue chips NFTs, like blue chips in stock trading, highly valued NFTs. So their prices fluctuations are not very volatile, and they can bring you some, a lot of money or just frustration. Yeah, so all or a lot of money. Yeah, so you need to understand that it's too risky. So I'm not buying them right now. So Azuki was the collection like a blue chip, and they just launched the new collection called Elementals. So they made something like, for the trades, so they made something like 38 million bucks. Yeah, so in crypto. So and actually they just provided these sales, and actually when people opened their cards, so they were the same stuff as the original Azuki collection, very similar, and the floor price just going down. Look at this. So the floor price went down around the even lower than the mint price, so it's wrecked actually. And community DAO, so Ezekiel DAO, just voting, so that and why the prices were going down. So on the loyalty, Azuki guys had another 130 millions profit, yeah, just going on the royalties from the OpenSea. So what's happened there? So Azuki DAO just voting that the founders should give back money, and but I don't know why they will just I believe they will not share this money back. Um, so um, another one interesting story. So another one blue chip is the bike. Yeah. So Justin Bieber and many famous guys bought Bored Ape Yacht Club several years ago, and he's just very, so Justin Bieber is iconic on stage. Yeah, so it's iconic, not iconic in crypto, but a lot of celebrities bought these NFTs just to enter the VIP club of the holders. And actually uh, he paid 1.3 million for beta NFT, and right now the cost is 60,000. Yeah, so he just made that. He made the conclusion that he has significant loss here, but actually, if he's holder, so maybe we will see the rise up of the NFT market again. But right now, it's a loss, guys. It's a big loss. So that's why I'm very, um, I'm taking these risks, yeah. So, I have some of NFTs in my wallet, but I don't. So mainly they are just gamified NFTs. So I'm using them, for example, for playing like Gods and Chain, for example, and Serious Heroes or something like this. But actually, guys, I understand that their price can be just going down, and I'm not just trading on NFTs right now. That's why. So that's why. Yeah, you can see that's why. Okay. Um, June said, I'm in profit actually. I entered people short last night. Okay. So, doing shorts. So if you're just um, making some stuff about shorts, so make one x on perpetual, not 3x, so you will be okay. Um, okay. One other things about the Bitcoin stuff. Yeah. So there is a famous hater, Peter Schiff. So he's famous because he's always said that Bitcoin will be erected sometime. So again, he made an interview with CoinGeek, and he said that BTC will crash to zero. So Peter Schiff heard about BTC. So he's a chief economist and global strategist on Euro Pacific Asset Management. So he's so I believe he will go like Goldman Sachs or other guys on these steps. So they had negative opinion about the Bitcoin several years ago, but these years they said that they had a gold potential about this. So he said that when I looked at it at BTC and decided not to get involved, my decision was correct based on the fluid concept. I don't think it could succeed as money, and I was right. It still hasn't succeeded as money, he said. Actually, he was right about the money because bitcoins are not the sense of the money, yeah. So, but they just haven't the goal. Yeah, I believe that using the BTC as money for our daily, usage. Um, so, but guys, the Bitcoin will, I believe so. I'm stronger believer that Bitcoin will not, leave this world forever because a lot of liquidity is there, and a lot of people are interested in there. So you need to understand this stuff here. Yeah. So it was just opinion, and I believe that it will be okay. So another one coin I want to buy, so it will be a list from this one, of course. Yeah, so Solana, ADA, or Matic. So actually we've got a lot of Matic. We've bought a lot of Matics. Right now it costs 79. Yeah, something average price is 79 cents. We bought it firstly for the $1 and $1 and $1. So we can buy it more. Yeah, but I don't want to get more Matic because it can going over my Bitcoin even and Ethereum. Better, I believe that we can go for the even Solana maybe. Look at the Solana. So I've closed my coin market cap actually. Yeah. So let me see. So right now it's let me show you guys. So right now it's a little bit bouncing. Actually, 20 is too big price for me. Yeah. So I don't believe that it will be. So actually, we need to wait a little bit, something like this, like 15. Yeah, maybe making a watch list. By the way, guys, we will provide you some guides how to form the watch list on your favorite cryptos, not to lose the moment to enter the crypto. Yeah. So okay, let's look at the area. Okay, it's going down on the daily stuff, but it's a little bit bouncing, yeah, right now. But if we're looking for the year, so 30 cents, um, actually, I believe we can buy, yeah. So actually, we can buy, um, and I will buy it on $10, I believe. So let me see in which. So it has on the BSC as well. So maybe we will go for the our USDT on the BSC and change them for the ADA. What do you think about this? Alessa said, for Shant agree. I tried to take NFTs, but I have no luck with them. Didn't cost anything. Um, yeah, so you can understand the value of the tokens better than NFTs. Yeah, because for most of the people, it's just a JPEG. So, but it's not. But it's just a JPEG. So for this, ADA, yeah. So actually, I believe that communities are not prepared for the big moves here about this. Okay, let's buy on 10. Okay, we've got some of these ADA tokens. Okay, so we have bought actually ADA for 39 cents before, so we're just so actually it shows 25% decrease, so we can make an average price a little bit, average the price and make more position here. And actually, when we're looking for the next big movers, maybe ApeCoin, but ApeCoin no, because you've saw what's going on with NFTs, and I don't believe actually much in this one. We can. I said no for the Polygon right now because I've bought enough of this stuff here. We can buy some stuff like 1 inch, for example, or Uni, for example. Yeah, but Uni right now is bouncing it as well. So what else? Maybe we can go a little bit more in Polkadot, but right now our limits, of course, is over for today. You can see that we've been over limiting our, usual trades, usual exchanges. So that's why we will just make small step-by-step stuff here. And I want to share you with some, interesting stuff here. So I'm so usually guys are hype about the gainers, yeah. So we can see that today, for example, if we okay, let's go for the, for example, we will go for the um, trading, for example, Binance, Huobi, BitGet. What else? Do they have Bitfee, for example? Can I type, for example, Bitfee? Yeah, something like this, and Gate, for example. I don't see Gate. Okay, so we just go or, and people usually go and see, okay, storage, for example, change for plus 35%, or for example for the 20% we need to buy it, for example, EGS, or Alchemix or something. Yeah, so actually I believe I'm just strongly believe that we need to buy with discounts. Yeah, so usually I go for the losers, and I'm seeing, for example, so if I'm going for the losers, we've just spoke about this with Genie data. Yeah, remember guys, those guys who are just providing the on-chain data. So and for example, I want the volume uh, from from 2 millions, for example, from 2 millions. Yeah, from 2 millions. Oh, for 2 millions, 2 millions. Yeah. So we can see, for example, that fund token. It has raised, yeah, for the 7 days, but then fall down. Okay, it's not interesting. we can see, for example, some of the coins which haven't been, changed drastically throughout the months. And for example, they're falling, so we can, for example, buy them. And for example, Filecoin, I like the Filecoin, but the price is too much for me. For example, let's go for the Kusama. Okay, but we've got the good stuff with Kusama. Okay, we can get, for example, for the for linear, for example, yeah, or for the Floki, but the Floki actually rise a lot, yeah, throughout the time. So I believe that, so it's not just a signal, yeah. So it's just the way to analyze. So you go for example for linear. Um, you can go for the uh, chat history, for example, for 1 year, or for example, all year to day. So you can see that right now the price is uh, 1 cent, yeah. So 1 cent, and the all-time high was uh, 2 cents, yeah. And it was in May. So actually, it can fall even even lower, for example, yeah. um let's go for the 1 year. Yeah, so it's in the middle. Yeah, so yeah, it lose a lot, but actually it can go here. Yeah, something like 1 cent, not 1 and 1, 1 and 4, for example, but 1 and 1. So it's 30%, guys. You can understand that it's 30%. It can go down for the 30%, and actually, and then we can see that there are some resistant lines here and so on. Not, I don't see that a lot of supportive stuff, but we can of course go for the 7 days maybe. But we can see that it can go easily here, yeah. So maybe it's not a good option, yeah. So then for example I see, for example, the AirPa, yeah. So let's go for the uh okay, we can see the big move here. Then right now it's okay stuff to buy, because it's just accumulating liquidity. So it goes high, it goes down, so it can, so the price for the average, okay, it's okay. It can be lower, but for example it's okay, yeah. Then you will go and analyze the project itself, how you can, do some stuff there, and so on, and do they have the potential actually or not. So that's the basic stuff here. And what about the Tron network? Is getting ready for a new update. Will the TRX rise to continue? So, my point of view, we have, of course, I like the Tron ecosystem, because I'm widely spread using the USDTs. You can see, um, they have big, moves here. But actually, oh, I've got the success I haven't even noticed, because I was so excited to talk with you guys. Um, okay, so I will just fulfill my stuff here and so on. So 2x maintains bullish trend. So actually, maybe we should buy some 2x just for the follow, not just providing the some transactions, because we've just spent a lot of 2x for the transactions, of course. Maybe we need to hold some of them for a while. So guys, I believe that we will just add this stuff on our folio, and then we will be overing our stream for today. So how so we've got $10 here, yeah. So let's go for the ADA. Okay, amount. So doing live, guys. I'm doing everything live for you. and I'm just sharing all the losses and all the profits with you guys. And I believe that this folio can be boosting and boosting again. So during the bull run, but actually, I don't want to have it to have the bull run right now because you can see $600 is a little a little money for the jump in the next level. So actually, you need to have something like 10, 20K just to think over, should I go for the trading or should I go for the holding more? Yeah. But imagine, so the next bull run will be in several years. So you can, for example, double or triple your, depot here. So what about the 1000? It's it's nothing. Yeah. So, but if it's 10,000 and you will get, 20,000, so 10,000, for example, in profit. So for some people, it's, it's a salary, yeah. So if you will divide it on monthly basis. So think about it for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have two streams as well, I believe. Okay, let me 10 will divide on 33.53. Okay, 30 cents. Yeah, I believe that it was about 30 cents. Yeah, 98 something. Yeah, so the average price, but okay. We got it. So guys, have a nice hodling, have a nice trading, have a nice evening, guys, or morning. I don't know what do you have. So lots of love. So I wish you guys lots of love, of course, and do not hesitate to join our streams and go into our main channel, and of course feed with articles. And I'm waiting to you in my Twitter. So guys, just drop a few lines if you are excited about the next episode of Crypto Pumper. And of course, love you all, guys. See you guys. Bye bye.